fashion. So it returns by default 0. We're going to return 0 by default. 0 by default. Then we're going to just do some std cout, for example, to show just some information. Hello world. Std, then we'll go to do ender. Right, now at these steps we have what we call it, we have our first program, this program. So we can just save our program as here, or we can see that we have a new file created as by the name program cpp that we choose for this file as a name. So now this file is not this file cannot be executed. So we are going to this file is created using human languages. Then it is C++ programming language is a human language. It is a readable language. But to get an executable, so we need a program that running. We need to compare it into the machine to compare it into the machine language. To do that, so we can use G++. G++ is we have here G++ compiler. So we can do G++ program .o, then we can give it program. This is the name of our program. So let's compile it. When we compile our program, we have here some new file that appears. That means we have our executable for this program. So when we run this program, to run our program, we should just put this, and we can see our hello world here. So let's in this example, I show you how to create your. This is the basic program that you can create using C++. Just to output some text in the output. But but it is important to know what is this. So we are going to see what we have here. We have here any programming. We have here some includes in the program. Then we have what means the program. So in our function we used some text here. We call it some function that output the hello world. But we didn't declare this. We didn't implement this function cout then std_cout. So the C++ standard library implement this function. So if we want just to use it, we'll call it using our includes in the program. Then we output our program as you can see. Here we need to know that we can use other function. We can use our includes also. We can create all libraries that we can include that we can include after, just like the stdlib standard library. So here we created our first program using C++ under Linux platform. This is the same thing will be in other platforms like Windows and Mac and IX. But remember that there is something that can't be what we call it can't be compiled in other platforms. But this is an advanced topic that we are going to talk about in the future. So just to run this program again and again, and analyze all part of the program to understand how it works and what's the effect of your program at the end. So you have now the main things to start programming language, and you can start your own program.